cute. Pancakes. I'm going to make a drink. I do glutamine and apple cider vinegar. 2 shots of this. I put salt as well, but doesn't taste good, but it is good. Okay, let's make breakfast. The favorite meal of the day, my favorite meal of the day. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, Snapchat, you know I always yap about the pancakes. And it's super gah, so good, telling you. So I do 3 grams of oats. I love oats. I do 12 grams of baking powder, pinch, so good. Cinnamon powder, lots. No, let's see, 1.5. Spinach, I love it. You can barely taste it anyway, so it's spinach, and then you blend it all together. So I've blended the mixture. Okay, till the pancake cooks, I'm going to make the omelette, egg white omelette. The egg whites, I froth them for 2 to 3 minutes and then I put them on a pan. This is how the eggs turned out. So this is breakfast: pancakes, egg whites, and coffee. I'm gonna do some walk and enjoy the meal. I'll catch you guys later. Welcome back, guys. So I did some work, I had breakfast, and now it's time to make lunch. Today is Sunday, so I'm not training. It's a full rest day, but I wanted to include one workout in this vlog, so I shot my upper body session yesterday, which I'm gonna include after I explain how I prep lunch or dinner. Usually, I guess again, a night before, on Saturdays or whenever I have time, or maybe on Sunday, I meal prep. I cut my veggies. Here are my beans, green beans, potatoes, and chicken. I have carrots. So I get a lot of questions asking what I eat for lunch and dinner, but it's super simple and so boring. Typically, bodybuilders' lunch or dinner and chicken breast, I have marinated it with black pepper and salt. No, just black pepper. And I'm gonna boil some potatoes. Right now I get pretty good amount of carbs. Do this on top of my chicken and veggies. Not much, just little. Just Transhi. I'm a FitModel competitor. I'm going to compete in November, and this is going to be the first episode of my bodybuilding prep. So stay tuned. I'm training upper body today. My last show's feedback was to come much more leaner on stage, plus to have more shoulders and lats. So that is what I've been working on upper body days. So since I have to target my lats a lot, I start with warming up with assisted dip chins. Assisted dip chins, yeah, always. I feel like it targets my lats, it activates my lats much better than doing lat pull downs. Shoulders, because that's what the judges said. Curl your shoulders. Been meaning to try this Nicki Minaj challenge. Let's see how it goes. I am doing a mini shoot for myself. Yeah, because why not? This is how it looks right now. And after this, I'm gonna add some veggies. For veggies, I have carrots and green. This is the fit. Hi, I am back from the shoot and it's lunchtime. By the way, the shoot was an epic fail, but never mind. I have my meal here. Wait. See, potatoes, veggies, chicken, and some mustard on top. So I got my steps done. Mobility stretching is also done, and I did some posing as you guys saw. And now I'm gonna go home and have dinner and sleep. So we are back. We did the steps, mobility, posing, and now it's time for the last meal, which is the same as lunch. I just added some rice, chicken, veggies, and I just added some rice, 2 chicken veggies, and potatoes. It looks like this. It's so good. Plus, the best part, I get milk. I get milk. I put stevia and cinnamon powder to it. And that's it. Yes, that's it for today. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. We are 17-ish weeks out from my show, and I'm planning to document everything. Prep wise, what I ate, how my trainings are going. Currently, I am training 4 days a week, 1 upper body and 3 lower body days, but I guess that's gonna change. I'm gonna include more core exercises as well. And nutrition wise, we're gonna cut down food little by little, but right now I've got plenty of food, so I'm happy. And my weight is 47.77 kgs, I guess, this morning, which is only 2 kgs above my stage weight. Last time I stepped on stage, I was 45 kg, so it's a good point for me right now. But this time my target is to come a little more leaner on stage, so I'm hoping to be looking at 43 maybe, but I don't know, depends on how depends on the overall look. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, if you girls have any questions regarding the division, regarding anything, or if you guys have any suggestions that you want to see more of, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. I'm super excited. This is gonna be my first YouTube video. It's time to sleep, and yeah, good night.